Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. So if you want to get lots of tips on skincare, hair care, body care, makeup tutorials, or if you want to watch lots of hauls, then you can subscribe to my channel. I post videos on every Wednesday and Saturday at 4 p.m. Today's video I will be talking about 6 ways to use lipsticks that has nothing to do with your lips. So I will be showing you ways that you can use lipsticks to do your makeup if you don't have your blush, contour, eyeshadow or anything. So I'm going to tell you how you can use lipsticks to do your makeup. Let's start the video without wasting any more time. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you are liking this video. So my first tip, how to use a lipstick other than like for your lip, to use it as a color corrector. So if you have any orange red kind of shade in your lip kit, then you can use it as a color corrector and apply it and dab it on your like dark spots. If you have dark under eyes or if you have dark spots, you can color correct that using lipstick. So you have to take few things in mind, like it should be creamy and you should be able to blend it. Like it should not give you matte finish, it should be creamy lipstick. So I am adding the clip where I am showing you how to use a lipstick as a color corrector. I am using this orange kind of lipstick, so it will hide little bit of my dark circles. So this is what I will do. I will take the lipstick and see guys how beautifully it cancelled out my under eyes dark circles. My second tip is to use for your eyeshadow look. So if you are going for high and glossy eyeshadow look and you don't have that glossy or like shimmering kind of eyeshadow in your kit, then you can use any glossy lipstick you have, be it pink, brown, metallic, any color you have. Like you can go with that and like apply it little bit back of your palm and like dab it and like blend it properly. Creamy lipsticks, because like they blend easily, because if you are using a matte lipstick it will like get little bit of difficult to blend. Check, this is like pink in shade and this is such a absolute gorgeous shade. So what I will do, I will take it on my hand. My next tip is to use it as a eyeliner. If you don't have a colored eyeliner, if you want to do like pink eyeliner, red eyeliner, orange eyeliner, and you don't want to invest in different kinds of eyeliners, then you can take any of your creamy lipstick, liquid lipstick, and then like create a swipe on your eyes. That works wonderfully, beautifully. You don't have to invest in n number of shades to go for colorful eyeliner look. Next tip is to use it as a contour. I am adding a clip where you can see how beautifully I am using a like lipstick that gets blended like. Next tip is to use it as a highlighter. So like take any ultimately glossy lipstick you have, the most glossiest lipstick you have, and like take it out on the back of your hand. Like take it and dab it with your fingers or even with sponge, anything will do. Like dab it at the areas where you want shine on your face and it looks flawless, beautiful. Your like face will start glowing, it looks so beautiful. So for everything which I'm telling you, I'm adding the clip for everything to show you guys how that can be done. And last tip is like the most common one. I guess we must have seen our mommies do that since ages, like take the lipstick little bit and like use it as a blush And like, I don't know why we stopped doing that. I like applied the lipstick as a blush and it looks so rosy, so glossy. I just love the finish of the blush. And if you are having difficulty in blending it with your fingers, you can like take a sponge and dab it on your face. And if at any place you feel that you have applied more lipstick, like wet little bit of your sponge, more squeeze it of the water, and then dab it again on your face. Like, it will give you a flawless result, guys. Like, we have such an amazing asset with us, lipsticks, and we can use it in n number of ways. Hope guys this video was helpful for you and you were able to bag some tips then how you can use lipsticks in different ways that have nothing to do with your lips. And if you want me to make more videos like that, like how to use one product differently, then let me know. I will make one for you. So if you like the video, hit the like button, comment, share it with your friends so that your friends will also be benefited from this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. This means a lot. I will see you in my next one. Bye, take care.